Ever find yourself wondering, what's the big deal with UPI? Or perhaps you've used digital payments without fully understanding the technology behind them. Well, today we're delving into the fascinating world of the Unified Payments Interface, or UPI, as it's commonly known. Think back to 2016. This is when the National Payments Corporation of India, or NPCI, developed UPI. This innovative instant payment system allows for interbank, peer-to-peer, and person-to-merchant transactions on mobile devices. All of this is powered by the Immediate Payment Service, or IMPS, and regulated by the Reserve Bank of India. In a few short years, UPI has become one of the most widely used payment systems in the world. By November of 2022, it boasted over 300 million monthly active users in India alone. The growth of UPI didn't stop there. In August of 2023, over 10 billion transactions were recorded. The success of UPI has not gone unnoticed on the global stage. Countries like the United States and the European Union have been exploring similar payment systems, intrigued by the potential of this technology. But UPI is more than just a payment system. It's a system that's constantly evolving. Take UPI 2.0 for instance. This upgrade introduced the ability to link overdraft accounts and pre-authorize transactions. And the Reserve Bank of India has further developments in the pipeline, such as allowing credit on UPI and implementing a quick refund feature. The NPCI is also working on a voice-based payment service. This is designed for feature phone users in low connectivity zones, making digital payments more accessible than ever before. So, what have we learned about UPI today? It's an instant payment system developed by the NPCI in 2016, enabling interbank transactions on mobile devices. It's regulated by the Reserve Bank of India and operates on top of the Immediate Payment Service. Its rapid growth has seen it become one of the most widely used payment systems globally, attracting interest from other countries. And with ongoing developments like UPI 2.0 and a proposed voice-based payment service, it's clear that UPI is not just a payment system of the present, but also of the future. So next time you use UPI for a digital payment, you'll know a bit more about the technology that makes it all possible.